Hey guys, Matt with Alligator Performance, and this is the product review for the Fleece Performance Coolant Bypass Kit made for the 94 to current 5.9 and 6.7 Cummins, available at alligatorperformance.com. The Cummins Bypass Kit was built in a necessity for the higher horsepower applications. The factory cooling system was originally designed for that 300 to 350 horsepower range, and when your powers increase, so does the demand for your cooling system. Your factory thermostat is located on the front of your engine, which leads to rear cylinders to suffer from the lack of coolant flow, and because of that, experiences the highest coolant temperatures. Also, it doesn't help that cylinders 5 and 6 typically run a bit hotter due to the restrictions in your exhaust manifold. So these issues can cause excessive pressure in your cooling system, and has the potential of blowing out freeze plugs under high stress or high boost scenarios, which it always seems that's the most inconvenient time for your truck to fail on you. You're always either at the track racing or doing some sled pulls or playing around the street or something. And so what Fleece did was design this coolant bypass kit with a secondary thermostat. And unlike other brands, this kit works off coolant temperature versus running off excess pressure. This solves the problem before pressure ever becomes the issue. Fleece uses a 180-degree thermostat in their kit, which should mirror your factory thermostat. And in doing this, you'll now get equal temperature coolant running through the entire block. The Fleece Performance Coolant Bypass Kit is not only functional, but is a high-quality, good-looking product. It's all billet aluminum, black anodized, uses high-quality AN O-ring fittings, also has a braided hose with AN fittings on it as well to go ahead and ensure a leak-free install. Also comes with the hardware kit with the longer bolts for your thermostat spacer and a brillo pad to clean any debris around the rear freeze plug before installing the thermostat housing. And now all the 03 and up kits will include the billet hose brackets.